Hi everybody! So in this video I'm going to show you how I make my shrimp pasta at home, only using a couple of simple ingredients. Overall, this dish took about 45 minutes to make, both in preparation and cooking time, so it's very easy and fun. Keep on watching. Starting off with my pot of boiling water, I add a little bit of salt, actually not a little bit, a lot of salt, making sure that it's heavily salted, and then I go in with my spaghetti, which is my pasta of choice for this dish. You can use any types of pasta actually for this, but I just prefer something like a noodle. Moving on to the next step, while the pasta is boiling, I go in with about a tablespoon of olive oil in a saute pan, and then I put in my protein, which is the shrimp in this case. I'm going to saute each side about 3 minutes or until it's golden brown, and then I'm gonna take it out of the pan and begin making my pasta sauce. So in this process, I like to use whole shrimp. I take off the tail already, just because when I'm eating it, I just find it's more convenient that I don't have to, eat a bite and then take out the tail out of my mouth. So I just prefer them whole. And I also cut up little bits of shrimp because I like that in the sauce throughout the pasta when I'm eating it. As you can see here, my shrimp are cooked on one side. I'm flipping it over to get it cooking on the other side. And then while I did that, I did add salt and pepper on top of the shrimp. I kept it real simple, but you're welcome to add any other seasonings of your choice, like cayenne, paprika, garlic powder. I just like to keep mine a little bit simple. Once I'm through cooking with the shrimp, I take it out of the pan. I still keep the heat on it because we're gonna go right into our next ingredients, which in this case are sweet cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna put them in the pan and I'm gonna let them sit until the tomatoes blister, which simply means that the skin cracks and they open and release juices that add flavor and it adds color to the dish. Also, I'm gonna go in with some chopped garlic, some sliced garlic. I love to use sliced garlic in pasta dishes because I think that brings out more of the garlicky flavor, and I don't mind eating little bits of garlic in my pasta. I'm also adding about a pinch of chili flakes, which adds some good heat, also some good flavor. I let that sit in the pan together just so they marinate, and then I go in with some chopped thyme. Thyme is a fantastic herb to add to any cooking, basically. Thyme is a resinous herb. It contains oil, so once you let it sit in the pan, it's going to release its oils and it's going to add some really good herbaceous flavor to your pasta. After adding the white wine, I let it evaporate a little bit in the pan so that way all the alcohol can cook down. And then I juice half of a lemon in there, which is going to really freshen up everything. And also some butter, because butter is delicious and you want some of that fat incorporated into your sauce. Afterwards, I go back in and I throw the shrimp in so that way that they can kind of absorb some of the juicy, beautiful flavors that we just put together. And then once all that's back in the pan, it's time for the pasta. So I'm adding all my spaghetti into the sauce and I'm gonna give it a good mix. And I believe I did add more salt and pepper and butter to finish it off. And then once I feel like everything got a good mix, I added some pasta water. I tasted the sauce and then I went back in with a little bit more butter, salt, and pepper. And then I added some Parmesan cheese and parsley on top for both garnish and flavor. This is it. This is the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it out. If you do, leave a comment. Let me know how yours came out. And don't forget to share this, subscribe to my channel, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye.